Okay, part 2 na tayo sa ating basic algebra review sa quiz 5 pala ng basic algebra review. Baby, saan yung aking pointer? Ito. Umpisa natin. We have this Alan and Bernard start at the same time from two places 136 kilometers apart and travel toward each other. Pasalubong sila pag ganon. Okay? Alan travels 10 kilometers per hour and Bernard 8 kilometers per hour. So, given class yung kanilang mga velocities or mga speeds or mga rates kung ano nung term ginagamit. If Bernard rests 1 hour on the way, in how many hours will they meet? So, ilang oras sila mag-meet kasi sabay silang nag-umpisa. They start at the same time. Tapos, given actually yung kanilang distance, no? So, ang gagawin lang natin dito, guys, no? Yung distance na na-travel ni Alan plus the distance na na-travel ni Bernard, okay? Natural, a total of 136 kilometers. Sabay silang nag-umpisa. Pero class, take note na si Bernard nagpahinga ng 1 oras along the way. So, mas mabagal siya, tapos nagpahinga pa. Ito naman si Alan, tuloy-tuloy lang, hindi siya nagpahinga sa pag-travel. So, ganito class, ang ating gagawin, ang distance ni Alan plus the distance ni Albert, kasi magkasalubong sila galing sila sa dalawang points class na magkabilaan. Galing sila dito, tapos papunta sila, okay? Ang total distance niyan, ang distance ng dalawa, 136, no? Wala ang ibang isulat mo dyan. Distance is equal to rate times time. Ang rate ni Alan ay 10 kilometers per hour. Okay? Times time. At ito yung time na hiningi class, ilang oras sila mag-meet. Okay? Plus, ang distance ni Bernard ay rate din or velocity or speed times the time. Ang speed niya ay 8 times the time. Take note class, itong T na to, nagpahinga siya ng 1 oras. Nandito sa problem class, ibig sabihin, nabawasan siya ng 1 hour nito. So, ang number of hours na nag-travel si Bernard ay T minus 1 is equal to 136. Yun lang class yung ating equation. Solve for T. We have this 10T plus 8T is equal to 18T. Itong negative 18, i-transpose mo to the right. 136 minus 18, makuha mo to 144. 144 divided by 18. Kuha natin das yung sagot. That is 8 hours after sila mag-start. Or iba sa atin, ayaw ng ganito, galing dito pa lang sa line na to class, nagsi-shift solve na tayo. Or nagme-mentally calculate. Kuha natin yan. 8 hours and that is our answer. Next na problem. Okay. In what time would Alberto, Brando, Carlo together do a work if Alberto alone could do it in 6 hours? 6 hours more pala. Brando alone in 1 hour more and Carlo alone in twice the time. Okay? So, ang tanong dito, class, no, ilang oras nila matapos yung trabaho kung silang tatlo, class, mag-work together? Okay? In what time would Alberto, Brando, and Carlo together do a work? Yan yung tanong. Tawagin natin class yung number of hours na yun, X. Okay? Tapos ang number of hours na matapos ni Alberto class yung trabaho kung siya lang mag-isa, tawagin natin na A. Si Brando naman, tawagin natin class yung number of hours kung siya lang mag-isa, tawagin natin na B. Si Carlo naman, tawagin natin na C, number of hours. So that ang kanilang mga rates class ay, ang rate ni Alberto ay 1 over A, kay Brando naman 1 over B, kay Carlo 1 over C. Okay? Together, magtrabaho si Alberto. That is 1 over A. Ito yung take note class na kung nakaligtaan class yung principle nito. Ang principle simple lang eh. Ang ating rate ay ang ating job done. Sulat ko lang dito siguro. Dito ako sa baba class. Ang ating job done ay equal to rate times time. Diba? Rate times time. Ito yung job done. Hindi pa yan matabunan. Tabunan ng aking tenga. Yan. Rate times time. Ganito pala ako. Rate times time. Tapos ang rate naman class, no? Ang rate ay equal to job done divided by time. Diba? Yun yung ating mga formulas. Ito yung basic lang masyado principle class. Parang itong rate, itong job done class, parang kuan lang to eh. Distance, velocity times time. Diba? Or rate times time or speed times time, di ba? Yung distance na to ay yung number, yun yung nagawa na, yung distance na nagawa na ng inyong sasakyan. Ganun lang kasimple. Parehong-pareho lang class yung formula. Ang distance na nagawa ng inyong sasakyan, rate times time. Ang job done, rate times time din. Okay? Work-related problem to. Now ngayon, kapag tapos ni Alberto yung trabaho, that is 100% done. One job done divided by number of hours ba to? Number of hours class na magawa ni Alberto yung trabaho. That's why 1 over A. One job done, that is 100% done divided by time. Ganon din kay Alberto class. Kung together magtrabaho sila, i-combine lang natin class yung kanilang mga rates. So ang rate ni Brando, that will become 1 over B. Ang rate naman ni Carlo, that will become 1 over C. Together. So working together, ang kanilang rates class ay kinumbine na din. Tinawag natin class kanina, sinabi natin kanina class nga, ang number of hours na matapos nila yung trabaho kapag magsabay sila magtrabaho class ay X hours. Ibig sabihin class, meron tayong masulat na combined na rates nilang tatlo. Ang combined na rates class ay 1 over X. Ganyan. One job done in X hours. Yun class yung ating masulat na equation. So ito yung hinanap natin. In what time would Alberto, Brando, and Carlo together do a work? Ito yung X kung sabay sila magtrabaho. Sabi dito sa problem class, no? Si Alberto alone. So, ang rate ni Alberto, okay? Ayaw lumabas. One job done of Alberto divided by number of hours ni Alberto, that is, si Alberto alone class could do it in 6 hours more. So, ibig sabihin class, itong number of hours, okay? Dagdagan mo class ng 6. So, ang ating A pala ay X plus 6. Yun yung ating equation. Okay? Si Brando naman class, that is, ang rate ni Brando ay, kung siya lang isa magtrabaho ay 1 hour more. Itong silang tatlo, dagdagan mo ng isang oras. Yun yung number of hours na magtrabaho si Brando kung siya lang mag-isa. So that is 1 job done divided by X plus 1. Si Carlo naman, 1 over C, twice sa time na to. Okay, that is equal to 1 over 2x. Yun class yung ating mga equation. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito na i-substitute lang dito class, we have this 1 over A, okay, plus 1 over B. Ito yung 1 over B, plus 1 over C, ayos, is equal to 1 over X. So, dito pa lang sa point na to class, masolve na natin yung value ng X. Mahilig tayo class sa shift solve at maganda to class sa shift solve. Tingnan natin sa ating calculator. Okay? I-input lang natin yan. We have this 1 over alpha x plus 6. Okay? Plus 1 over alpha x plus 1. Then, plus 1 over 2 alpha x. Alpha equals 1 over alpha x. Okay? Shift solve. Paborito natin na function sa calculus. Shift solve. Mag-assign tayo ng value ng x. Sabihin natin class 1 hour. Okay? In our to class, that is 0.667. Ang 0.667 actually class, kung ilagay natin siya sa isang memory address, store to A. Okay? 2/3. 2/3 hour. Okay? 2/3 hour times 60. Tingnan natin class. Answer natin ay 2/3 ito yon times 60. Ma-convert natin class into minutes, that is 40 minutes. So the answer is letter A. Okay? Letter A yung ating sagot. 40 minutes siya. Yun class, diretso lang sa calcu kung gusto mo. Pero for the sake of discussion, no, ang gagawin natin, ituloy lang natin to class, isolve natin to ang x. Isolve natin dito yung x ng masinsinan. Ang gagawin natin class no ay i-multiply natin both sides of this equation by the product of x plus 6, x plus 1 at saka 2x. Okay? I-multiply natin ng 2x times x plus 6 times x plus 1. Ito class, i-multiply mo to ng quantity na to, makancel yung x plus 6. Ang ibig sabihin, ang matira ay 2x na lang times x plus 1. Dito naman, i-multiply mo to class ng quantity na to, makancel yung x plus 1. Ang matira ay 2x times x plus 6. Ito ulit class, ito na quantity, i-multiply mo nito class, makancel yung 2x. So, ang matira ay x plus 6 times x plus 1. Ito naman class, i-multiply mo to ng quantity na to, ma-cancel yung x. So, ang matira class ay 2 times x plus 6 times x plus 1. I-distribute, i-expand natin ito class. Tingnan natin. We have this 2x squared plus 2x. Okay? Ito naman ay 2x squared plus 12x. Ito naman class, multiply dito. We have this x squared. We have this x plus 6x, that is plus 7x. We have this plus 6. Okay? Is equal to, itong quantity na to, ito actually yung class, i-times 2 na lang natin yung nasa loob. So, magiging, ano to, magiging 2x squared plus 14x, okay, plus 12. Yan class yung ating equation ngayon. So, ganyan tayo para makita natin lahat. So, we have this one. Ang gagawin natin, i-combine natin yung similar terms. So, very clear na cancel itong 2x squared. Cancel ito ng 2x squared. Ma-cancel din class itong 14x. Napansin nyo? May 14x tayo dito, may 2x tayo dito, may 12x. So, a total of 14x dito sa left din. So, cancel ang 14x. Wala na yan. So, meron tayong 2x squared, meron tayong x squared, a total of 3x squared. Meron tayong 7x pa dito. Okay? Plus 7x. Tapos, meron tayong 6. Tapos, minus 12. So, ibig sabihin, class, minus 6 na lang tayo is equal to 0. Solve for x. Ito na yung hinanap natin. Nakuha na natin kanina pa. 40 minutes or that is equal to 2/3. So, ang x natin ay 2/3 hour. Ang isa nitong class ay negative. Huwag mo nang pansinin kasi we are talking about number of hours ang pinag-usapan dito. 2/3 times 60, that is equal to 40 minutes. Answer. Pareho pa rin. Alright? Albert and Brian, sila na naman class, mga AB, can do a certain task if both work together in 3 days. And Albert and Brian can do a certain task if both work together 3 days. And Albert then works alone 1 day. Okay? Brian and Carl can do it if Brian works 3 days and Carl works 10 days. It would take Carl 9 days longer than it would take Albert to do it alone. How long would Albert take if working alone? Ang tanong dito class, no, ilang araw kung si Albert lang ang magtrabaho mag-isa? Ilang araw niya gagawin? So tawagin natin to number of hours, number of days, A days. Si Brian naman B days. Si Carl naman class, C days. So that yung kanilang mga rates ulit ay 1 over A, 1 over B, 1 over C. Yun class yung principle natin. Ang rate ay number of, ang job done, that is 100% done, divided by number of hours or number, yung time to do that job. In this case, number of days to do that job. Okay? Ang sabi dito class, magtrabaho si Albert and Brian in 3 days. So, kung isulat natin ang equation na yan, i-combine natin class yung mga rates ni Albert and Brian. That is, nagtrabaho si Albert together with Brian. Okay? Ito yung pinagsama nilang rate. Take note class yan ng ating equation uli ay simple lang class. That is, ang job done. Okay? At sa ko ng konti, matabunan sa aking kapugian. Ang job done class ay equal class to rate times time. Tulad ng ginawa natin kanina class sa previous na problem, itong rate na to ay pinagsamang rates ni Albert at saka ni Brian. Okay, pinagsamang rates. In-add up lang natin. Times 3 days. Okay? Times 3 days. Kasi number of days tayo, ito yung time natin ay 3 days. Then, matapos nila yung trabaho class, kung magtrabaho si Albert and Brian ng 3 days, then, magtrabaho class si Albert alone for 1 day. So, ang rate ni Albert, ito yon times isang araw, idagdag mo dito class sa silang dalawa ni Brian ang nagtrabaho, tapos ang trabaho. Kasi ang sabi dito, they can do a certain task. Tapos yun, trabaho. 100% done. Okay? Tanggalin natin yung mga sulat dyan. Ito class yung ating isang equation. Ma-combine natin actually ito class, that is 1 over A times 3 times, plus 1 over A times 1, so 4 over A ito. Okay? 4 over A plus 3 over B is equal to 1. Yan class yung ating isang equation. Okay? Let's call that equation number 1. Sunod, ano sabi dito? Brian and Carl can do it if Brian works 3 days and Carl works 10 days. Ha? So, matapos to class ni Brian and Carl kung si Brian magtrabaho ng 3 days, si Carl naman 10 days. So, ang equation natin dyan ay 1 over B, 3 days. Tapos ang trabaho. Equal plus. May natapos na pala na trabaho class. May portion sa trabaho ng natapos. Tapos, after 3 days, titigil na si Brian. Papasok si Carl class. Siya ang magpatuloy. And Carl. So, si Carl class papasok, 1 over 10, 1 over C pala, papasok siya for 10 days. Okay? Tapos ang trabaho. 100% done. Ayos? So, we have this equation number 2. Then, it would take Carl 9 days longer than it would take Albert. So, paano yan isulat ang equation class? Ang rate ni Carl, ito yan, is equal to 9 days longer down than it take Albert. So, 1 over A plus 9. Nakaha niya? It would take Carl 9 days longer than it would take Albert to do it alone. So, ang ginawa natin dito, class, ang rate ni Carl ay equal to itong number of days sa paggawa ni Albert, dagdagan mo ng 9 days. Di ba? Kung si Albert lang kasi mag-isa, magawa niya class yung trabaho ng A number of days. Tapos na yung trabaho kung si Albert lang. Okay? Si Carl naman, itong A number of days, dagdagan mo ng 9 days, yun na class yung total number of days sa pagtrabaho ni Carl. That's why class, ang 1 over C is equal to 1 over A plus 9. Malinaw ba yun? It would take Carl 9 days longer than it would take Albert to do it alone. Si Albert, matapos niya yung trabaho in A days. Pero si Carl class, kailangan niya tapusin ng A plus 9 days. That is 9 days longer. That's why ang kanyang rate ay equal to 1 over A plus 9. That is our equation number 3. Pag samasamahin natin itong tatlong equations class, masolve natin to. Meron tayong tatlong equations, tatlong unknowns. Para mas madali siguro, ang gagawin natin dito class ay itong i-express natin sila lahat in terms of isang variable lang. Ang hinanap dito ay si A. So si A kung natin class i-retain. We have this, tingnan natin saan nakukumuha nito. We have this 3 all over B. Ito yan, 3 all over B. Plus 1 all over C times 10. Diba? 10 over C. Ang C natin class ay A plus 9. Okay, ang 1 over C actually natin ay 1 over A plus 9 times 10. So ito na yon is equal to 1. Ha? Itong 3 over B naman class, pwede natin ito palitan. Galing dito sa equation number 1. Si A and B na lang ang natira dito. Ang ginawa natin, itong equation na ito, kinumbine natin itong equation number 2 and number 3. Itong 1 over C, ito yon, pinalitan natin class ng 1 over A plus 9. So, times 10, ito na yung nangyari. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dito, itong 3 over B, palitan natin class ng 1, di ba? Ito yung 3 over B. 1 minus nito, 4 over A. Very clear class. Yan class yung 3 over B. Okay? Plus nito. Ayos, si A na lang ang natira. So, pwede mo na yan i-shift solve class, makuha mo na yung value ng A. Pero dito, ituloy lang natin class. Cancel kasi yung 1. Ang mangyari dito, ito na quantity is equal to, i-transpose mo to class, is equal class to this quantity. Okay? I-transpose lang doon sa right side ng equation. Cross multiply, we have this 10A. Ito cross multiply, we have this 4A plus 9 times 4. That is equal class to 36. Solve for A. Meron tayong 10A minus 4A is 6A is equal to 36. Solve for A class. 36 divided by 6. Makuha natin class 6 days. Kung si Albert lang mag-isa, matapos niya yung trabaho in 6 days only. Ayos? And that is our answer. Dito natin tinapos ang part 2 ng ating quiz number 5 dito sa Basic Algebra Review. Baby, har. Chicken joy!